Meet Alex, a retail store owner struggling with disconnected systems. Sales data from the POS doesn't sync with the ERP, leading to errors, delays, and lost revenue. Without integration, inventory updates are slow and inaccurate. Customers ask for items that appear in stock but are sold out. The result? Lost sales and unhappy customers. Manual data entry isn't just time-consuming, it's costly. Errors led to financial discrepancies, accounting headaches, and poor decision-making. Meanwhile, Alex's competitors have integrated their ERP and POS, gaining real-time insights, accurate inventory tracking, and seamless financial reporting. By integrating ERP with POS, Alex eliminates manual work, reduces errors, and gains full visibility into operations, resulting in better customer service and increased profitability. Integrate your ERP with your POS today and unlock seamless efficiency.